Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about energy of the orbitals. In continuation of the atomic structure, the topic is energy of the orbital. So we already discussed about orbitals S, P, D and F. These are orbitals and their subcells are one, which represented by like this box, and it's three, and it have five and four F, it is seven, and seven. We already discussed by magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number in S, P, D and F. S, maximum capacity of 2 electron, maximum capacity of 6 electron, 2 electron. This is Px, Py and Pz. How to represent this? There are 10 electrons and in F orbitals there are maximum capacity of electron is 14. There are maximum capacity of 2, 6, 10, 14. When principal quantum number is increased 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, the energy is also increased. Energy increase 1, 2, 3. The energy order is increased when principal quantum number is increased. For S, P, D and F, the increasing order of orbital is S, P and D and F. These are called the degenerate energy level. Their energy is same. These subcells have same energy. There are 5 subcells, those have same energy, and there are 7 subcells, those have also same energy. Those cells have same energy are also called degenerate energy level. Clear all of you? So these are called degenerate energy level. Degenerate means those subcells have same energy. So dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square have same energy. Px, Py, Pz also have same energy. Okay. Now next topic is electronic configuration. In 10th class, we explain the electronic configuration by K, N, M and cell. Now, next topic, electronic configuration. Okay, like electronic configuration explain the full information of the electron. Let's see, like carbon. You have to learn the all atomic number. Carbon have 6 atomic number. In P cell, N cell and M cell, there are 2 electrons and 4 electrons. Their valency is 4, which already discussed in 10th class. Now, how to write the electronic configuration in orbitals? How to represent the electrons, how to fill the electrons in all orbitals and different structure. So electronic configuration is the full representation of the electron in an atom. Now, electronic configuration governing by some rules. First rule is Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. Aufbau is not a scientist name, it is the German word. It is the German word which meaning is building up. Building up. Like a building. Okay. So Aufbau principle means this is the German word which means is building up. According to this principle, what explain? According to this principle, electrons are filled in any orbital. Filled in any orbital by increasing order. Increasing order of energy. Now clear? What is the Aufbau principle? According to Aufbau, electrons are filled in orbitals in increasing order. How the electrons are filled? There are if we take a multi-electron system, their energy level is like this. Energy order, write down the diagram how to prepare 1s, okay, 2s, what is 2, what is 1 is the principal quantum number and s is the azimuthal quantum number. 1s, 1p is not possible, I already discussed, there is no sense of this orbital. 1s, 2s and 2p, 3s, 3p and 3d. 3f is not possible. 4s, 4p, 4d and again 4f. Now 5s, 5p, 5d and 5f. You have to make this chart to explain the energy order like this. Arrow, make a arrow. Increasing order. Then we go back again like this. Now we go back and you have to draw cross line like see, and so on. You can write 6x, 6p, 6d, 6f, 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f. So what is the order of this? 1s, then 2s, then 2p, okay, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. So what is the energy order of these orbitals? 1s. Now write down 2s. After 2s you have to write 2p. Okay, principal quantum number is same. 2s, 2p, then 3s. After 3s, 3p, then 4s. After 4s, 3d. This is the increasing order. After 3d, 4p, then again 3p, 4s, then 3d. After 3d, 4p, 5s, 5s, then again increasing order. What is the capacity of the electrons occupied in the subcell? In s orbital, there is one block, one subcell, 2 electron. p orbital maximum capacity is 6 electron. In d orbital, maximum capacity is 10 electrons, and in f orbital, maximum capacity is 14 electrons. Now clear all of you how to fill the